Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are delving into the world of infinitives, 2 plus first form of verb. It is a crucial aspect of English grammar that holds the key to expressing a wide range of actions and concepts. Let's start with the definition of infinitives. Infinitives are versatile verb forms that serve as the base or root of a verb. They are typically preceded by the word to and are used to express a variety of functions within a sentence. Infinitives are formed by adding to before the base form of a verb. For example, to walk, to sing, or to study. So in these examples, to is the infinitive and we used first form of verb with to. Means walk is the first form of verb and the infinitive is to plus first form of verb to walk, to sing, or to study. Let's take an example in a sentence. She likes to dance. Here, to dance is the infinitive indicating the action that she likes. Next is the uses of infinitives. Infinitives are used for a variety of purposes. First one is to express purpose. Let's take an example. She went to the store to buy groceries. In this sentence, the infinitive to buy indicates the purpose or intention behind her trip to the store. Next usage is after certain verbs. For example, they decided to visit the museum. Verbs like decide, plan, want, and agree are often followed by infinitives to convey the intended action. Infinitives are also used as a subject in a sentence. For example, to learn a new language requires dedication. Here the infinitive to learn acts as the subject of the sentence. Next usage is as the object. She wants to sing. Here in the sentence the infinitive to sing functions as the direct object of the verb wants. As the complement of the verb. For example, his goal is to become a doctor. Here the infinitive to become serves as the complement of the linking verb is. Next uses is as the object of the preposition. For example, they have the ability to solve problems. The preposition to is followed by the infinitive to solve, which functions as the object of the proposition. Next uses is as the object complement. For example, we elected her to lead the committee. The infinitive to lead acts as the complement of the direct object her, providing more information about the action. Next is the different ways to use infinitives. Bare infinitives, like he can swim. In some cases, verbs are used without the to when they follow certain modal verbs such as can, could, will, would, and other verbs, or causative verbs such as make, let, or have. Split infinitives. For example, to boldly go where no one has gone before. While traditionally frowned upon, split infinitives involve placing an adverb between to and the base verb. Such as in the example, boldly is the adverbs used between the to and first form verb. Modern usage accepts this construction for stylish purposes. Infinitive phrases. For example, she decided to take a long walk in the park. Here, infinitive phrases can include additional words, creating a more complex structure that provides context or additional details. So it's all about today's lecture. I hope this exploration of infinitives has been enlightening. Like and subscribe for more linguistic adventures and stay tuned for our next exploration into the wonders of language. Until then, happy learning and may your sentence be adorned with the beauty of infinitives. Thank you for watching.